The China-Sri Lanka Cooperation Studies Center of the Pathfinder Foundation translated and published the Chinese book Prevention and Control of COVID-19 in Sinhala as a service to the public of Sri Lanka, which was launched today at the Chinese Embassy Auditorium.
The event saw the participation of several high-level dignitaries, including representatives from the Chinese Chamber of Commerce. The first copy of the translated book was handed over to Hu Wei, the acting ambassador of China to Sri Lanka, by the former executive director of the Pathfinder Foundation, Lakshman Siriwardana.
This new book, the Sinhala translation, is another example for us to share our experience with our Sri Lanka friends. I think it's also a very important form of support to our Sri Lanka friends to fight against the pandemic. I can still remember it at the very beginning of the outbreak of the pandemic in the island. Just another day, that's the first case, infected case in Sri Lanka. Just another day, Minister of Health, Our Lady, to visit our embassy with her whole team to ask us, what should we do? Then, well, we have no hesitation. We just share all we have learned from our fight against the pandemic.
What we have tried throughout is to identify specific projects and programs that will have a longer-term impact on Sri Lankan socio-economic development. When it comes to this particular book, which I consider it as a COVID-19 and beyond, because many of the practices, health practices or prevention practices can be applied generally to the student population as well as adults in